OPPO Reno 16 Global versus OPPO Reno 16 China. Both smartphones come with the same 8.2mm thickness, offering an identical slim profile in the hand. It is a perfect tie. With a matching weight of 188 grams, both models offer the exact same comfortable, lightweight feel for daily usage. Both devices feature a high-quality AMOLED display type, delivering equally vibrant and rich color for your media. Good news for video lovers, as both smartphones support HDR10 for an equally enhanced high dynamic range viewing experience. You get a smooth 120Hz refresh rate on both options, ensuring identical fluid animation and scrolling performance. Both screens speak at a bright 3 screen 100 nits, providing the same excellent legibility under direct harsh sunlight. The display mattes perfectly at 460 ppi density, giving you an equal level of crispness and sharp text on both. With a slick 89.5% screen-to-body ratio, both devices providing the same immersive near-bezel-less viewing experience. Both offer a sharp 12, 16 by 26 40 pixel resolution, ensuring identical clarity for images, videos, and everyday text. The devices support an identical 6.32 inches screen size, offering the exact same compact yet spacious display area. Both phones utilize crystal clear protection, offering the same strong level of resistance against scratches and drops. The Reno 16 China takes the lead here, offering a more powerful 3.4 GHz Cortex-A725 compared to the competitor. The Reno 16 China steps up performance with its advanced Dimensity 8500 super chipset, outpacing the opposition. For your gaming needs, the Reno 16 China brings a more capable Mali G720 MC8 GPU to deliver better graphical rendering. The smartphone on the right delivers much more aggressive processing power, making it the superior choice for heavy gaming. Both systems are identical, running Android 16 with ColorOS 16 for an equally up-to-date and feature-rich software. Both models pack a massive 670 mAh battery, ensuring equal and exceptional endurance to easily last through the day. You get an identical 80-watt fast charging capability on both variants, refueling your battery at the exact same speed. Neither device offers expandable storage, meaning you will have to rely solely on the built-in storage capacity. Data transfer speeds are identical on both sides, as they utilize the same UFS 3.1 standard for quick file sharing. The Reno 16 China variant offers a superior multitasking experience thanks to its much larger 16 GB of RAM. Storage space is vastly superior on the Reno 16 China, giving you a massive 1 TB capacity for all your files. The Reno 16 China stands out with its incredible 200 MP f1.8 wide sensor, delivering much higher resolution photos. Both devices support 4K at 60 fps video recording, allowing you to capture high-resolution smooth footage equally well. For your social media posts, both phones feature an identical 50 MP f2.0 front-facing camera for crisp portraits. Both front cameras are capable of shooting 4K at 60 fps footage, providing equally crisp resolution for your vlogs. You get the same robust IP69 water and dust resistant up to 1.5 meter on both sides, ensuring equal durability. Neither model includes a traditional 3.5mm audio jack, so you will need to utilize wireless or Type-C option. Both smartphones come with a standard Type-C 2.0 port, providing the exact same connectivity and data transfer standard. You get a rich audio experience on both options, as they are both equipped with high-quality stereo speakers. Wireless audio and data transmission remain perfectly balanced, with both devices featuring the latest Bluetooth 5.4. The Reno 6 in China offers full NFC capabilities, whereas the global version comes with a restricted version. Security is equally convenient on both, featuring a fast and modern in-display sensor for quick unlocking. The Reno 16 global version takes the win here by offering modern eSIM support alongside the standard dual SIM setup. You get identical high-speed connectivity on both sides, as they both support fast 5G and modern Wi-Fi 6 networks. If you want to save money, the device on the right is much more budget-friendly and gentle on your wallet. The Reno 16 China wins this battle with a total score of 33 points, proving to be the more powerful device overall.